Okay, so here's the plan. Renz, you distract the guards. I'm gonna blow the safe. Amir and Dai drive the getaway car. Wait, is that not the conversation we're having? No, okay, maybe not. The man who needs no introduction, but I'm gonna give him one anyways. Dai Yoshihara, Formula Drift champion, Pikes Peak record breaker, time attack record breaker. Dai agreed to come out. He's gonna drive the car on course. We also got our friend Renz here, who's one of the greatest shooters at Super Street. He's done it all. The challenge is, we only have 30 minutes on track. Dai, FD champion, can't you like have him give us the day or something?
Well, thank you for having me, man.
Yes.
I'm super excited to drive this car, even though it's not 1,000 horsepower.
We tried to make it Hot Boy Drift spec, and we tried to do a little bit with it.
Okay. Yeah, it should be good enough.
This is so exciting, intimidating, and embarrassing all at once.
No, it looks like pretty legit drift car, man. So far, feels great.
Okay, good.
And then I know you guys built this. I'm sure it's gonna be a...
Okay, okay.
We'll find out soon, right?
There's famous photographers that get a chance to do this. No one gets to do it on a qualifying day. Like, usually it's after hours and everything. Renz knows what he's doing. He's setting up the shot right now. MotorTrend, thank you so much for just spending so much money on this right now. I just kind of want to run around on the track right now. Just use up all the time. So Renz is trying to get the hero shot here is obviously the bridge. This is the power alley. What people don't recognize, this is the IndyCar course. Formula One has run here. IMSA has run here. Formula Drift has run here. And now Super Street is running here. Renz says he's happy.
Where do you want us, Renz? Is this right?
We have to do this one too. Down on one knee, hand interlocked.
Hard pose, no
Hard
smiles.
pose, yeah. That's it, that's it. That's all we have time for. Let's get Dai in the car. Let's get this going. Time. I'm not wearing a watch, but you know, this is universal.
Editor-in-Chief Nads.
Okay, here's my plan. I want Dai to come in through turn 9, down the power alley, and we're gonna put Renz on the inside of turn 11 to get that iconic hairpin shot. Let's give Dai a little bit of a warm-up, and then we really gotta hit it. This is it. It works!
So it's gonna be
It
like good sign, good
It works
sign.
like a drift car.
What a pro.